by, out, for, and at. In this video, we will talk about these prepositions. So let's get started. By chance, by accident, by far, by no means, by force, by hurt, by all means, by request. Out preposition. So let's out of control, out of curiosity, out of date, out of ideas, out of one's mind, out of order, out of the question, out of hand. For a reason, for a change, for granted, for the sake of, for real, for a good cause, for good, for certain, at school, at the top, at any cost, at any time, at noon, at ease, at the bus stop, at college.